Hey! In front of me is OPPO Reno6 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Firstly, open Play Store, click on the search bar and type iOS Launcher. Following that, you need to download this free app, this one, from this developer, and open it. Now click on While using the app, tap on Allow and choose Home button. Over here, click on iOS Launcher, tap on Don't Ask Again and tap on iOS Launcher one more time. Then select Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my OPPO. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!